watching videos, don't forget to subscribe us and press the bell icon beside subscribe button to get notified every time on YouTube. 10 ways to make the most of your coffee habit. Coffee lovers are constantly tinged with guilt, but it's actually not that bad. Coffee, when had the right way, can actually help you on your way to good health. Let's see the 10 ways to make the most out of that coffee habit of yours. 1. Space out your coffee consumption. Researchers have found that small, frequent doses of caffeine are more effective than a huge dose first thing in the morning. 2. Don't drink coffee before 10 a.m. Research shows that people feel pretty alert for the first hour or two after waking up because of high cortisol levels in the body. You need coffee when you reach office because by that time your cortisol levels drop. 3. Don't drink coffee with your meals. Have it an hour after lunch when you feel sleepy. Avoid coffee after dinner. It may seem like a comforting thing to have, but it will spoil your sleep. 4. Having a coffee before a power nap. On the other hand, having a coffee before a power nap may be the best thing to do. Research shows that coffee before a power nap results in better productivity after waking up. 5. Know how much caffeine you're consuming. Know how much caffeine you are consuming. About 400 milligrams of caffeine a day is thought to be safe for adults. More than this can lead to irritability, upset stomach, and insomnia. 6. Top up every caffeinated drink with a glass of water. Top up every caffeinated drink you have each day with a glass of water. Coffee has diuretic properties. That basically means you pee more often and lose more water from the body. You need to replenish that. 7. Drinking a small cup of coffee after a learning event boosts memory. Drinking a small cup of coffee after a learning event boosts memory. So, if you just attended a meeting and been put in charge of a difficult project, have some coffee before you start making a to-do list. 8. Taking coffee before a workout. Your dietitian may disagree, but coffee before a workout may actually work to your benefit, says research. Not only does coffee make you more motivated to exercise, caffeine also improves your endurance by using fat as fuel. 9. But the real benefit of a coffee is how you drink it. Adding milk and sugar to it is not the best way to go about it. Instead, drink black coffee or coffee with plant-based milk additives like almond milk, soy milk, or coconut milk. Switch from sugar to raw honey. 10. Avoid milk and other sweeteners. Avoid milk substitutes and artificial sweeteners like the plague. And if you like videos, then don't forget to give us thumbs up.